What's going on, guys? Welcome back to PRI. We got probably two of the best heads of hair here at Indy right now, right in front of you. That's exciting, but we're not talking about that right now. That's later. I got Chad Elliott with SRI Racing. I've talked to Chad now. I've known him officially 5 minutes, and I'm going to tell you something. Probably the coolest guy I know. One, the hair. Two, let him tell a little bit about his background. Now, Chad, you got into racing, got back out of racing, and now it just drew you back in.
Once it's in your blood, it's in your blood. You can't get it out.
You know, something I was told a long time ago, it's worse than any drug you could ever get hooked on.
Thank God I was lucky. I had girls, and they didn't want to drive race cars, so I saved a lot of money.
A lot of money. Give us a little background on Chad.
Well, my father, Harold Elliott, was a really famous NASCAR engine builder in the 70s, 80s, early 90s. Worked with Junior Johnson, some of the drivers, Cale Yarborough, Darrell Waltrip, Tim Richmond, Rusty Wallace. Finished his career at Penske, got out and got into the racing coating business. I went to school, became an engineer, worked in electronics engineering for a few years, completely out of racing. My dad called me one day, he wanted me to come back and run his company. And I got back into racing, and I fell in love with it, and I've been there ever since for the last 15 years. So.
That's what I love about this, though. It never goes away. You can walk away from it. You know, it's like me. You know, I say all the time, oh, man, I'm going to slow down on these cars a little bit, all this stuff. I'm going to do something else. Yep. There's nothing like you always come back.
Yeah, and the thing about it got for me was just going to the racetrack and hearing the cars, smelling the smells, you know, feeling the thunder, and that's all it takes, man. It reminds you of where you came from.
Exactly. It's an instant hook.
Yep.
Just instantly. And the smallest little thing can take you right back. I love that.
Yep. So I spent almost 10 years at Roush Yates Racing Engines in their parts division. Our owner, Greg Fernelli, bought that company and turned it into SRI Performance. So I was kind of inherited, had to start over. Working with Robert and Doug Yates was such an honor, Jack Roush. But our owner now, Greg Fernelli, and our company.
So we went from the cat in the hat to the cat with the curls.
You got it. And he doesn't need hair product either.
No, that boy's just got good hair.
But Greg's been like a father to me. I lost my father in 2012, unfortunately, and Greg's been like a mentor and a father for me. And it's just a wonderful place to work. And we're growing, man. We're doing some big things.
That's what I love to hear. You know, we got a lot of doom and gloom right now. There's a lot of things down and all that stuff. I love hearing that, especially about the industry that's so near and dear to both of our hearts.
Yes.
That's the name of the game.
Yep.
Guys, we got way more coming for you right here from PRI.